Sarah here with Nest Happy. This month we're tackling paper. So we're going from paper piles to paper free, and we're talking specifically about a system for your paper mail. Now last month I gave you a lot of tips about self-care and even incorporating even 5-minute daily self-care into your daily routine. And today I had kind of a crazy busy morning and I just rewarded myself with a little piece of dark chocolate. It was really good. But anyway, getting back to today's topic, we're talking all about our mail system. And in the end, it's all about getting off the hamster wheel of your daily grind of the never-ending chores that are always going to be there, and about implementing not only a system, but batching focused work and incorporating this type of habit change into your life. So again, it's not just about focused work, but it's about batching these never-ending chores. So in the last video, I gave you the link to the all the details of the download. So there's a PDF download that you can grab it. If you haven't grabbed it already, check the description box of this video and grab that download. So it has the entire system laid out for you, including a couple extra tips. And yesterday I went into detail about your inbox and about sorting your inbox. And today we're talking about your action bin and your hold bin. So your action bin, obviously, it's what it sounds like. It's something that you need to take action on. So and you could have a bin for you and one for your spouse, for instance, or just two sides of the same bin labeled you and your spouse, which we have at our house. And these are paper mail pieces, like maybe a bill, maybe it's a paper party or paper invitation to a party you need to RSVP to, something like that where you need to do something. And when you sort your inbox, I don't want you to get bogged down by doing these yet. So you want to put them all in your action bin and then only address what's in your action bin maybe once a week, or maybe even once every 2 weeks, because most things that come through your snail mail doesn't need to be addressed right away anyway, right? And if you think about it, would you rather spend maybe 15 minutes 3 days a week clearing out this action bin, or maybe 25 minutes only, like once every 2 weeks? So it's really awesome if you can really incorporate maybe a set day where you address all these action items and you can just bang them out really quick and get it done. So you can focus on more important things, of course. And your hold bin, and this is actually really key, and this is where if you incorporate these principles in your system, you're not going to be looking for papers that you need to find and it being mixed in with everything else, because your hold bin are papers that the ball is in someone else's court. So it's something that you need to reference later. Like perhaps you sent a package and you just need to hold on to that tracking number for a little bit, or maybe it is that paper invitation that you already RSVP to, but you need to reference that later. Perhaps it's a school calendar where, again, nothing you need to do really, but you might want to look at it later. And this hold bin is designed so that maybe once a month you just clear it out, and in most cases, these papers are going to end up in the recycling bin and you don't need to do anything else with these types of papers. So again, grab the download for more details about these two pieces of the amazing system, and I really hope you like it. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about the other two categories, and again, check your download for that. And so I want you to let me know. Are you gonna try this and see really how freeing batching is, or do you think I'm crazy? Or I also want to know, if you are gonna try, how often do you think you're gonna address your action bin? For us, usually it's around once a week, but sometimes we go 2 weeks. So yeah, usually we do home type papers on Thursdays or Fridays, depending on what we have going on. So that's it for me today. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna continue talking about the system. All right, bye for now.